Okay, we've gone through all the hoops, we're waiting for it to come in. Here, come on, WALKERA, we know you're there. Let's swing around like crazy. That's beautiful, isn't it? The maximum horizontal flying speed of this drone is like 55 miles an hour, abnormally fast. Well, today we're at beautiful Riverside Park here. It's called that because we're beside the river. It's absolutely beautiful here. It's a big park. It has baseball diamonds, has recreation areas for picnics and things like that. I mean, it's got it all going on. Plus the most beautiful river. What's these? Are these cornflowers? They might be. That old dude river. There's a little picnic bench there under the tree, so you can have a picnic in the shade. And it's all thought out, well thought out, very nice. They're doing a great job here. The battery specs are 7.7 volts, 2250 milliamp hours, and it's a LiPo 2S10C battery. The maximum flight time on this drone is 30 minutes according to the manufacturers, so conservatively speaking say 25, and that's still good. That's as long as I would need. The image sensor on this is 1/2.3 inch CMOS, also with 48 million effective pixels. The photo resolution is up to 4K, the video resolution is 4K, but it says in the app that you can also do 1080 video, so I'm going to try some of that as well. The maximum storage rate is, on the code, is 100 megabits per second. I think the camera settings are really good with this. You know, you've got professional settings, which means you can adjust the ISO sensitivity, the shutter speed, exposure compensation, white balance, etc. That's great, man. Then photo settings, you can set the shooting mode, photo format, photo size, quality, etc. Now the video is quite interesting. It says you can set the preview resolution, preview code rate, video code rate, video resolution, video display mode. Other settings on the video are grade, you put grade on, which most nice drones have, anti-flicker, defogging on and off, formatting, photo animation switch, photo sound switch. And I'm not sure whether that means you can actually record sound onto the drone or not. I'll have to check into that. Just riding the thermals there. Look at that, that's a big bird. That's a big fella. Up there's his friend coming to join him. There you go. Up and there's the kid. 3 eagles. Reminds me of that American rock group from the 60s. The Doors. Good job I didn't take the drone up now. Could have been a bit of a problem. Well, today's a nice day for taking the drone, the T210, to the river and flying it. That was great. When I first started flying, I didn't have the antenna up, so it started going crazy, but it was alright, it worked okay, it didn't crash. But I've got video to show you. Anyhow, see you next time. Bye bye.